Yo, what's up guys? It's me Edward back again for another video. Let's get into it. What's up guys? Welcome back for another unboxing review of the Razer Kraken Tournament Edition. We are going to test the mic, sound quality, and the build quality, and overall review. Let's jump to the unboxing. So here are the box, the Razer Kraken Tournament Edition. It is compatible for PC, Mac, PlayStation 4, Switch, Xbox One, and your mobile device. This is the back side of the box. As you can see, there is the THX Game Chat Balance for perfect mix, the THX Spatial Audio, the cooling gel that they use for the memory foam, and an ergonomic design for a long lasting because it's lightweight. This is the specification of the Razer Kraken. So let's proceed. On opening the box. So let's take this off. Okay, that is a tight tape. So let's open it. Wow, right on the bot we can see the headset for gamers by gamers. That's the tagline of the Razer. This is a felt or mesh. It's a soft. Let's take the headset from the box. Alright, gently. Okay, that is removable. Let's toss it to the side. Okay, this is the 3.5mm jack and some additional extension wires. Okay, and let's take the THX. This is the audio mix. This is directly plugged to your PC or to your laptop. Okay, let's take this plastic off, just the cover. Okay, this kind of tape, when you remove it, it's very sticky. It will stick to your table, to whatever you're gonna place it on. It will not be moving. Okay, let's take it from out of the box. Okay, there's some information. Okay, there's a nice message from the Razer team. Once you buy the Razer product, you are already part of the team. Okay, let's take that. There is even a signature of the president. Okay, this is a thick book of information. If it's gonna be your first headset from Razer Kraken, it's a good thing that you read about this because they put a lot of time. Okay, there's the free stickers, 2 of them. I think that is the standard for the Razer. As you can see, you can change your memory foam cushion. You can order that to your local dealer or to Amazon. Alright, let's put it on the side. Okay, this is just pure box. Let's put it on the other side. Okay, sorry. Now let's take a look of the audio mix of the THX. This is what make the Tournament Edition different from the other Kraken lineup. In the Kraken console, in the other Kraken Razer gaming headsets, it is a USB. See, there's a green portion inside that cable. Let me just adjust it. There's even a Razer logo. Let's take a good look about the headset. On the top, it's a leatherette. It says Razer. It's very soft, lightweight, not that heavy. And the build quality, there's a cushion above, and both ear cups has the Razer logo. It's metal. See, this is metal too, and they have that numbering that you can measure both. You can balance your headset once you're wearing it. Depends on the head shape that you have. It simply just will follow your head. It's a mesh type. It's pretty light. The cushion, the memory foam that they use, that special gel, it's very soft. It looks like it's not going to hurt the head. So let's wait for the mic test. We're gonna test this out later, the sound quality of the headset. It's pretty bendable, flexible, very sturdy. The microphone is retractable. If you're not using it, you can stow it away inside. It's pretty flexible, bendable, you can see. It's cardioid microphone also. Microphone of the Razer is pretty good. As you can see, it's 90 degrees. 3.5mm jack. You can plug it to whatever kind of platform that you're gonna be using. Here's the volume rocker and the mute button. Let's take the plastic off. As you can see, it's pretty brand new. I haven't tested it or what. This is officially the unboxing. That is the mute toggle and the volume rocker in line. The line is braided, so it's gonna be sturdy and long lasting. Pretty lightweight, guys. So let's take a closer look to this. Pretty sturdy, guys. This thing.
A few moments later.
Alright, I've checked and tested it for FPS. I'm using it in PS4 console. As you can see, I'm playing Call of Duty. I can pinpoint my enemies. That the sound is pretty good. It's awesome. As you can see, I 100% pinpoint where will they be at. It's good for FPS games and other games in GTA or Need for Speed, whatever you're gonna be using in 2K20 in sports. This is gonna be an awesome headset, gaming headset, especially you're going to be in tournament or in competition with your friends. Now we go deep inside the THX program. As you can see, we are exploring and checking. As you can see, there's an audio mix. You can pump that bass, the sound clarity, your voice, your chat, whatever, your pitch, everything. You can adjust it in the THX program, especially in the synopsis of the Razer. It's pretty good and awesome. That's 100% for you guys that you can use. You can adjust it to whatever you're liking. Everything is what needs to be. So what's up, everyone? This is the mic test for the Razer Kraken Tournament Edition. As you can see, it's pretty bendable, flexible. It fits to different kind of types of heads, shapes, and it has the special eyewear positioning if you're using an eyeglasses or using glasses when you're playing games for that UV protection for your eyes. and it's pretty lightweight. It's tolerable. The weight is not that too heavy. It's not going to pull your head down, keep you giving you a headache because it's pressing too hard. It doesn't. That is the personal preference. As you can see, the mic is a cardioid microphone, pretty bendable, flexible. It picks up my voice very clearly. And if you're not using it, you can stow it away inside the ear cups, the left ear cup. It is pretty cool feature. But if you're gonna turn off the mic, it has the inline switch. I'm gonna turn the mic off now. I'm gonna turn it back on. The volume rocker is right here in line. The wire is rated to keep it safe and a long-lasting wire, doesn't get damaged or what. And the ear cups the noise cancellation is pretty good. I don't hear anything, and it is, as you can see, it's a tournament edition. It gives me the special feature of the THX if I'm playing it to the computer, but I'm playing it at the console and PS4. You can play it also in Xbox, in your Nintendo Switch, or you can use it also in your mobile phones because of the 3.5mm jack. It's pretty much universal. As you can see, this is the mic test. It picks up my voice. The sounds quality for the headset is pretty awesome. It's gorgeous. The pumping sound, the bass, the clarity, the sound, you can hear it, everything. Especially if you're going to use it for listening to music and watching a movie, you will feel the bass, but the pumping sound, it's very clear. So once again, this is the mic test of the Razer Kraken Tournament Edition 1, 2, 3.
Okay, let's go for the overall review. The Razer really did a great job with their new Kraken Tournament Edition. Build quality is great, sound is absolutely beautiful, especially with the THX Spatial add-ons in the PC program. You can control almost everything with the THX. Noise cancellation is magnificent because of the special gel, the memory foam that the Razer used. Sound clarity is wonderful. Been using this in Call of Duty and FPS game. It's ridiculously great. You can pinpoint the sound coming from. You can take that as advantage. Listening to music and movies is gorgeous with the bass and overpowering highs of the sound. Give this Razer Kraken Tournament Edition a try and you won't regret it. This truly is a competitive gaming headset to be used in both for gaming and other miscellaneous that you want to use it. Thank you for watching. Check my other unboxing videos and reviews and my gameplays. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel. God bless and thank you. Bye!